Welcome back to Fun and Tim's Garden. We have our first Berkeley Tie Dye Pink tomato that we're going to cut today and we're going to taste. So excited about this. Now this one's looking a little gnarly. A little bit of watering trouble I think this year in the garden. But let's get it cut up and see what it tastes like. Okay, we're going to get rid of the stem first. Just cut that out. Okay, so I've removed the stem and I'm just going to start cutting. Look how meaty this is. This is very different than what you get at the store-bought tomato. Look at all that pulp. Oh, it's gonna be so good. And look at the rich colors. All right, we better taste this. I gotta describe this to you. It's sweet. It's got a lot of pulp to it and juice. It tastes very tomatoey, but it's not overpowering. This is gonna be excellent on sandwiches and salads. If you want to can it or make a sauce, I think it'll be perfect. Okay, so I've got it all contained up and ready to go. I'm gonna have sandwiches with this all week. This would be excellent on just about anything. There's a lot more flavor to it than what you get at the grocery store. That's why we're doing it. And if you're forgotten, this is the Berkeley Tie Dye Pink. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your tomatoes.